Coming up, we look at how religion and the ongoing conversations about race can intersect.
And Augustana University welcomes back its student athletes as they prepare to resume sports seasons interrupted by COVID-19. We'll look into the school's pandemic playbook. Good morning, this is KOTG on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
We'll get to our top stories in just a bit, but first let's get a check of our weather with meteorologist Scott Munt.
All right, well, good morning, you two. Good morning. KOTG in weather for today. It will be hot and it will be windy. Nothing really new this month as temperatures will hit the 90s across much of eastern and southeastern KOTG. That will continue through at least midweek. Cooler toward the end of the week, and with that, we'll have to watch for scattered rain chances. And that will even last into this coming weekend with temperatures retreating to the 70s and 80s for highs. More details on the KOTG Live Doppler forecast with meteorologist Brian Karstens coming up.
Thanks, Scott. Protesters were back on the streets of Sioux Falls over the weekend to draw attention to racial injustice in the aftermath of the police killing of George Floyd in Minneapolis.
The protesters gathered along Minnesota Avenue Saturday afternoon, calling for an end to police brutality and racism. The protesters included people of all ages, but some of the strongest voices belong to young people who want to see lasting and meaningful change.
I was at the last one, the first one here, and it's time. You know, people's voices need to be heard. We need to get our voices out here. A lot of change needs to come for what we're doing. Small steps to a bigger goal. That's what I like to say.
Bolden says the strong turnout for Saturday's event shows that young people in Sioux Falls are paying attention to national issues involving race. As people here and in many other places continue to have conversations about racism and equality, one Sioux Falls church wants to bring understanding to other churches.
The Center for Life Church is joining prayer meetings of other local churches and sitting down with local pastors to discuss how they can stand together and move forward.
You know, how do we get involved? You know, what's next after protests and hosting conversations and continuing the plan and being vocal together and letting people know that we're standing together. And this is kind of the mindset that we want to have as a local body with the various denominations and the spiritual backgrounds that is in Sioux Falls.
You can hear more from Pastor Duncan in this story on KELOLAND.com. According to the South Dakota Department of Health, there are 65 new cases of COVID-19 in the state, bringing the total number of cases to 5,898, with 924 of those cases being active. 87 South Dakotans are currently hospitalized due to the virus, with 539 people being in the hospital.
However, 4,899 people have recovered and no new deaths have been reported. New numbers are expected later this morning.
The Midco Aquatic Center's second phase of reopening begins today.
KOTG's Max HOFER is there to give us the update. How's it going, Max?
Good morning, you two. As you can see behind me, we got some early swimmers here this morning treading water, and the people at home can too, because the doors open at 5 this morning, and they open every day through Friday at 5. Now, they're limiting their capacity to about 50% to make social distancing easier for families. Now, they're also asking people to sign up for pool times online. They also do ask that families show up in their swimsuits because locker rooms are closed, and the family changing rooms are open, but only on a limited basis. Now, if people would like to sign up for a pool time and get a full list of their guidelines, we do have a link to their website under this story at KELOLAND.com. Reporting on location from the Midco Aquatic Center in Sioux Falls, Max HOFER, KELOLAND News.
Thanks a lot, Max. Augustana University started its three-phase plan to bring student athletes back to campus for voluntary athletic activities on June 1st.
All sports participants returned to campus last Monday, while all student athletes are eligible to return beginning today. Augustana Director of Athletics Josh Morton will now turn his attention to fall. The university is currently putting together plans for scheduling, travel, and spectators, and Morton says flexibility will be key.
You're doing all these scenario plans, but at the end of the day, you're not sure which one or if some other one is going to be what you actually end up taking on.
Prior to June 1st, the athletic facilities at Augustana had been closed for nearly 3 months due to COVID-19. Brian?
All right, as we check the rain gauges this morning, 1,300 out of Mitchell last 24 hours, and also some rain in winter, just a little bit at least, about 15 or 1,600 there. Sioux Falls, so far not much, and I'm expecting 90s this afternoon. That's hot, and it gets even hotter tomorrow. In fact, not just hot, it's windy tomorrow. 40 plus on those wind gusts. So we're really pulling moisture out of the ground when we've got those kind of conditions and abundant sunshine. I still think even Wednesday is very hot, especially in the east, but there is a cold front feature right there late in the day. May spark some thunderstorm chances, and then we'll see if that will regroup into Thursday across the east. And yeah, if we get some rain out of that, that's a good thing, because with all this hot weather and above normal temperatures, we are going through our moisture in the soil a little faster, aren't we? And you'll notice Friday, well, it looks like a lot of the rain may head east and south of us, but by Saturday it could return a little bit. So we'll continue to watch where those showers and thunderstorms manage to develop. In the meantime, your forecast. Temperatures today, we're topping out mainly in the 90s in the southeast, 92 Sioux Falls, 90 in Chamberlain, 87 degrees Rapid City. Again, very hot tomorrow, a lot of 90s. Wednesday, Sioux Falls, 96. Yeah, hottest temperature on the map, in fact, for Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Now, Billings, Montana's down in the 60s. There is some cool weather up to our northwest, and that tries to move in a little bit Thursday. We'll still call Sioux Falls near 90, but the wild card could be a couple thunderstorms around, and if those do develop, we might be able to lower that number a little bit. Looks like Friday's forecast also will trend a little cooler, 70s in the west, 80s across the southeast. Guys?
And thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air for midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now go have a great day.